Secondary school science students, learn your equations. Incredibly important, doesn't matter which year you're in, but especially important if you are doing your GCSEs. So let's go through them in topic order. So energy, we have gravitational potential energy is mass times gravity times height. Kinetic energy is a half mass times velocity squared. Work done is power times time. Energy transferred is the same, power times time. So energy transferred and work done are the same. Efficiency is useful output power or energy divided by total input power or energy. If you have your answer as a decimal and you wish to change it to a percentage, you multiply by 100. Now the next topic is electricity, and charge flow is current times time. Voltage is current times resistance. Power is current squared times resistance. Power is current times voltage, and remember, voltage is also potential difference. Energy transferred is power times time, the same as in the energy topic. The next topic is particle model of matter, and we can see that density is mass divided by volume. Energy is mass times specific latent heat. And the next module is the one that has the most equations to learn, which is forces. So the first equation is velocity is distance divided by time, which you have probably seen in maths as well. Acceleration is the change in velocity divided by the time taken. And to work out the change in velocity, it's the final velocity take away the starting or the initial velocity. Work done is force times distance. The weight of an object is its mass times the gravitational field strength. And we have Newton's second law, where force is mass times acceleration. The momentum of an object is the mass times the velocity. And the force exerted on a spring is the spring constant times its extension. The next topic is waves, and the time period for a wave is 1 divided by its frequency, and the velocity is the frequency times the wavelength. And the last topic is magnetism or electromagnetism, and the force is the magnetic flux density times the current times the length. Now you may be thinking, why have we got all of these equations in triangles? So the reason we have these in triangles is to help you with rearranging. So if I wanted to work out the force, I'd cover up the force and put F equals, and I have the magnetic flux density times the current times the length. If I wanted to work out the magnetic flux density, I would cover up the B and put B equals, and I would have the force divided by current times length. If I wanted to work out the current, I would put I equals, I would cover up the I and see what's left. So I have F divided by B times L. And if I wanted to work out the length, I would cover up the L and put L equals F divided by B times I. So the line here going across indicates divided by, and where you have things on the same level here, that means multiplied. Hope this helps, but make sure you learn your equations.